Hi, friends. Good morning. Hope you are doing good. Welcome to my new course on Welcome to the MySQL Workbench. And I hope my friends who have already installed the MySQL software in your laptop or in the PC. And also in the last class, I have shown you how we have executed some command through the command line through the terminal. So today our topic of discussion is through the GUI level. And if you see my friends here, we have installed welcome to the MySQL workbench. This is a simple workbench. You can simply type it in your search MySQL and you guys you see you can pull it up, you can open it up, very simple. And then, my friends, if you come down, you will see here you will see here the local instance MySQL. You just need to click this, and you need to define a connection name. So, for example, any project you are working or any dummy project you're working or practice you're doing, you can just mention here as test project, and click on OK, and your connection would be created. This is simple the connection of the project what we are going to do. And this is the host name, this is the port name, and you do not need to do nothing here. Okay, I'm just canceling it because my friends I already created. I already started working on a dummy project for the two-wheeler analysis, sales analysis. So I just double click on this one and I try to open this one. If you see my friends here, I was already working on this one, so I have saved my SQL query as well here. So let me show you my friends. So once you create your workbench, you will have some default schemas or default databases. You don't need to do anything. You will create one of the database. You see, I have created one database here by sales analysis. So you just need to type in this query create database by sales services. You see, this is the query, my friends. Just create database. So for you guys, you can write any XYZ name and just create it, and this will be populated here. This is how we create our database. And after creating our database, we will upload the tables reference. So how to do that, I will say you. So you just need to right click on the database and right click on the database and we can refresh all if you just want to see it. And if you see here, there is you know subdirectory I would say called as tables. Right click on this one and you see tables data wizard import. So here, my friends, you can insert your table to your database. Say, for example, you have a customer table, you have a sales table, you have an employee table, you have a territory table, and you have customer information, you have employee information. So you just need to keep it in your PC in a folder, browse the location, and just do next, next, next. No need to change anything. So all your tables will be loaded like here. You see, I have uploaded my tables here. So I have all these tables here. These all are nothing but dummy test tables, dummy informations we have created as tables. Okay, my friends. So now if you want to use any database, say for example, you have multiple databases in the server and you want to switch between the databases, so we use the statement as use command. So when you execute this, my friends, you see this is executed successfully, and this is the output column where it shows no, it has been executed successfully, and it is deep highlighted in bold. So that means you can use it now. Say for example, and I would like to run this table now. If say for example, if I want to run this one, I want to run this customer table, my friends. If you see this, if I want to run this one. So you see, this is all informations about my customer details. This is all dummy table, and I would say this is my dimensional table also because this is having customer table. I would say if I run this sales table, so if you see this is fact table or you can call this transactional tables. So my friends, this is some of the examples or what I can say you small syntax what we have created here for you, my friends. So keep following my channel, subscribe my channel, and ask your friends also to subscribe my channel. And in my next sessions, we will come with some more statements, some more syntax and SQL queries. So take care, my friends. Have a great day ahead.